Good evening, friends. Now, again, I am coming out with another video. This is regarding the new NFO which has come out from Nippon Group. The NFO the fund is called Nippon India Taiwan Mutual Fund. Again, I am repeating, Nippon India Taiwan Mutual Fund. The NFO has already opened on 22nd November and it is closing on 6th December. Now, I am going to tell something about this fund for the information of our investors. You can understand from the name, the Taiwan is mentioned. As you all know, Taiwan is a small country with great potential. Why this name is mentioned in this fund? For the very reason that this fund, whatever the money that is collected through our public or through the investors, will be invested in Taiwan. That is the idea behind this that is the objective of this fund. So if that is a purpose of this fund, in that case you should know something about Taiwan, why it is done so. There must be some reason behind it. As you all know, Taiwan is a small country with a population of 2.5 crores. Definitely you will be surprised if you see its economic growth and other parameters. Then only everybody will be convinced that that Nippon has taken a decision to invest in such portfolios in such countries. As I have already told you, it's a small country with a population of 2.5 crores, and it is purely export oriented. So once I say it is export oriented country, their balance of payment position is really comfortable, and their foreign exchange reserve is also more comfortable because it is more of that is export oriented. So enough foreign exchange reserve is steadily increasing. Enough foreign exchange reserve, it is export oriented, and the GDP is also rising year on year. So all these economic parameters, if you see, it is showing a rising trend and a rising market. Now, if you ask me, what is the reason behind this? Yes, the only reason behind this is that this is the country manufacturing semiconductors or chips, which is rightly known as. You would have definitely come across in newspapers in the recent times that there is a shortage of semiconductors or chips. So many of the industries are affected. So you can understand the importance of semiconductors. One more statistics I wanted to substantiate here, give it here, that among the top 10 countries manufacturing or applying semiconductors and testing it, in the top 10 companies, 6 companies are located in Taiwan. See, that is the beauty of it. So they are the main exporters of semiconductors and chips, and they are exporting to the entire world, you can say. Now you can see Apple, you can see Google, they are all surviving because of the manufacturing facility that is available, because of the semiconductors or chips that is available in Taiwan. So this is a major force that this country has, and that is the reason it has got these very important, very favorable parameters in the field of economic growth, GDP, balance of payment position, foreign exchange reserve, and this is the main reason. So you can understand that there is a very good investment potential. That is what this fund has come out from, a very leading, that is fund house, Nippon, in the name Nippon India Taiwan Mutual Fund. I have already told you the NFO is already opened on 22nd November. It will close on December 6th. So definitely you can have a view on this because of this very favorable, that is conditions. I will also talk something about semiconductors. The semiconductor is such a product that it has to be applied in all sectors of the economy, whether it is infrastructure, whether it is telecommunication, whether it is anything, computer, hardware, and information technology, any industry that you take, any industry, just name it, automobiles and other ancillary industries, without semiconductors or the chips, you can't just manufacture the goods. So that is the importance of this. And as I have already, again I am repeating it, out of the 10 manufacturing, out of the 10 that is semiconductors application and testing industries, top industries, 6 are located at Taiwan. And that is what the Taiwan industrial economy is growing, and the parameters that I have already explained showing a favorable trend. Now that is what this Nippon fund has rightly decided to invest in these funds. So you can understand that whatever money that is collected through this fund, it will be invested mainly in Taiwan because of this economic that is background and the growth that is available in the market. This is very important point that one should understand. Now you can ask me whether it is a fund of fund this thing. No, it is not fund of fund. They will directly invest in the shares of the large corporates. Now you can understand. I will also tell you something about the performance of the companies. In the year 2021, all the corporates have shown the profitability has increased by 92%. That is also one of the important, that is yardstick. And they have two stock exchanges, and their price earning ratio is around 13. So this is also one of the very favorable point. And another thing, something about semiconductors, again I want to touch the subject, that it is 52% of the market share is held by Taiwan. That is very important. Again I am repeating, 52% market share is held by Taiwan. So you can say the importance of this economy, how it is growing and why it is growing. So that is what a decision has been taken to invest in this thing. Now about the fund, they will select the stocks in the multi-cap stages. In any type of that is industry, whatever that is growing, definitely will be taken, primarily in semiconductors. So there won't be much stock. Their advisors are Cathay Spike, which is one of the leading asset managers, and they are their consultants. So they will select the stock based on their this thing, and it will not be fund of fund, it will be directly invested. And regarding the fund, it is minimum that is investment is around 500 rupees, and with a multiple of rupee 1, there is an exit load up to 3 months. Beyond that, there is no exit load. So definitely what I feel is really a good investment opportunity because of this favorable that is market conditions and the investment climate that is prevailing in that country. That is what, as a diversified portfolio, I feel one can have some exposure in these funds also, so that you will have a diversified exposure in all type of funds. So I don't want to continue anymore further, that I have in detail explained about this fund, and the NFO is already open. Again I am repeating, it is already open on November 22nd. It will end on December 6th. So take advantage of this. Once again, I am telling you, please go to your investors, go to your advisors or distributors, take their advice and start investing it. If you don't have that facility, definitely I am always there, Mr.V.Subramanian, 9787552042. Definitely I will come to your help. Now after seeing this video, please don't keep quiet. Also press the subscribe button, so that I will come and give you more and more videos in the same way. All the best. Thank you very much.